Hello guys, welcome to new tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to make a custom calendar in FlutterFlow. Keep in mind I am not using FlutterFlow built-in calendar widget. Okay. Firstly I add a new row on this screen. In this screen I add one icon widget for displaying the calendar icon. This one. For better alignment, I will give it a little bit padding from top and left side. Okay, then change this icon to calendar icon, this one. And in the same row, I will add one text widget for displaying user selected date, this one and this one. Okay, the next step is that add a custom action, means a custom dot code. So open this custom code, click on this plus icon, add action, and enable this return value option. From here select date and time, this one. Click on this FlutterFlow boilerplate, then copy to editor, then here write your custom dot code. So don't worry, I have already written this code, and I will provide you this code in the video's description, so don't worry. Copy and paste it here. Simply save action. Yes, now make one app state. From here add app state, let's say I name it selected date. Now add app state variable, same selected date. From here just change the field type, change to date time. Okay, this one. Okay, then open your home page where you have added calendar icon. Select this icon and add action on this icon. Firstly add open on tab, add action. Then from here click on this custom action and select your this new custom action which we have make using a dot code. Select this one. So now this is for when we click on the calendar icon, then our calendar is open in a pop-up. Okay, so now we want to update the value every time, update the date value every time. So for this add a new action. From here click on this add action, and now click on this state management, then update app state value, this one. Okay, right. Now select this text widget where we want to show you our selected date. Click on this one, then click this icon, database icon or dynamic, this one. Then select your app state, and this means selected date. Okay, and from here change your date format, date time format, and select let's say I select this one, right, and confirm. Now we will open it in a test mode. Just wait a minute. Mm, So now our app screen is open in a test mode. Keep in mind this is a debug panel. This will open if you have just a paid plan of FlutterFlow. Okay, so you see this calendar icon. Just click on it, and you will see this custom calendar open in a pop-up. This is created using a custom action dot code. Okay, let's say I select this one, 20th, this one, and click on this. Okay, see, and you will see this date in a text widget. Okay, so hope so you are enjoyed this video.